Hi guys, welcome back. Today is 25th March 21. It's day 1 and week 10th of our live trading series. You can see in the right side window, Sensex is down by almost 600 point. India VIX is up by almost 0.5%. Bank Nifty is down by almost 470 point and Nifty 50 is down by almost 170 point. I didn't expect that. I thought that market will move up today, but the market is down. So that's why I have just scared of my yesterday position and make a new position. And now I have 32,500 put 3 lot bought, then sold 32,100 put 7 lot, then bought 39 lot, and then bought 31,700 put 6 lot. I think I should scared of that position, so that is why I have just scared of that position, because I don't think so that position will be able to recuperate all the outlay. So that is why I have just scared of my position. Today is expiry day, so you have to take quick decision, and if you think that you have just made a wrong decision, so just scared of your position immediately. So that is why I have just done that, and now I have make a new position. In that position I have bought 32,800 put 2 lot, then sold 32,500 put 6 lot, then bought 32,200 put 4 lot. It is also a ratio butterfly and the gap is 300. The maximum profit in that strategy would be 15,000 and the loss would be 15,000. And the current time is almost 11:27. So let's see what will happen till the closing time or in the middle of the time. And one more thing guys, I do not comment in the full video. I comment when I feel I should share something special or something important, or when I make any position or square off or change any position. So please watch the full video so you can understand why I'm doing that. So please keep watching guys. Thank you so much. Hi guys, welcome back. Current time it's almost it's 10 minutes past 2. So I think I have just scared of my last position because it's a closing time. It's almost 1.5 hours remaining from the closing time of the market. So I think I should make a position for tomorrow. So that's why I have just scared of my last position and make a new position. You can see in the middle window it shows 1 April 21. So that's my new position, and now I have bought 33,000 put 2 lot, then sold 32,000 put 6 lot, then bought 31,000 put 4 lot. It's a ratio butterfly and the gap is 1,000. Maximum profit is 50,000, the loss is 50,000, and the costing would be almost around 2,500. So let's see what will happen till the closing time, and or if circumstances didn't change in the market, so I think I should carry that position for tomorrow also. So you can see in the right side window guys, you can see that Bank Nifty is now recovering from its lower point, and you can see it's only shows 200 point down. In the morning it was 450 point down, so somewhere I was correct about the market, that market should move up today, but in the morning time it shows that market is going down. That is why I have just scared of my yesterday position, but now market is moving up. So that is the market. You cannot predict the market all the time, and sometimes you are right but the time is too late. So that is the trading experience. So hope you like this video guys, so please keep watching. Thank you so much.